Hello mga kabiyahera! Welcome back to my travel vlog. Part 4 na ng ating Kerala Diaries. For today's video, we are still in Backwater Ripples for breakfast. And while waiting for Bubu's cousin, we played table tennis and carrom at their recreational area. We also roamed around the backwaters, but this time, we rode a boat. And at the end of this video, we will have a room tour. This is the room that our friend reserved for his visitors for his wedding. That will be on our next video and one of the reasons why I visited India. Anyway, let's start! Good morning from Backwater Ripples. Hello. We are on our way to have breakfast. It's a breakfast buffet and the restaurant is located just below Tap Room, the Irish pub that we tried on the previous video. Morning. Hello, sir. Really wrong. Wow, chocolate milkshake.
One morning.
Chicken soup. Oh wow. What is korma?
Curry.
Oh wow, the curry leaves are there. Oh, I can see the chili. What is idiyappam? How do you pronounce it?
Idiyappam. Correctly.
It's like a noodles. Oh, bada again. Idli.
It's just stuck because of the heat.
Oh, this is the one I also had. Oh, you call it idli. Chutney. But this is spicy now. I can see chilies.
Yeah, but now it's spicy. You make it same as how you had last time.
Why is the coconut chutney orange in here? It's orange.
It could be.
But yesterday. Okay. Wow, look at that there. That's what you want. Croissant. Croissant. Oh, parata. There's a parata. Main potato. Wow. Oh, pancake. Yay. Wow. Okay. This. So after checking out, you can still roam around the resort. This is the stairs next to the room where we stayed. It connects to a bridge to go to the other side of the resort. And this is the back side of the room where we stayed. This is the area of the resort where they hold wedding receptions. You can see that the chairs are still there. Recycling, no? You can also ride the bicycle here, but there are limited places where you can access with it. And this is the recreational area where you can do a lot of things like table tennis, chess, carrom, archery. There's also a playing area for kids.
I don't know how to play, so I don't know how to play. So I have to hit my court and then hit your court, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
One
So bounce on my court and
One bounce. See? Yay!
so 1-1.
It's still 18. 2-1. Wow, someone showed up.
Oh, sorry. I thought. See you tomorrow. Oh.
This is carrom, an Indian game where you flick discs to put to the corners of the board. It's like billiards, but instead of sticks, you use your fingers to put those discs to the corners.
Oh, catch that. Oh, nice.
One shot.
Oh, catch that.
Oh, the clean out.
Now we're on our way to see the backwaters, but this time, we will start at a different area.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
It's actually very peaceful this time, unlike last time where we tried it with a steamboat.
Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
Now we'll have a room tour. Like what I said a while ago, this is the room that our friend reserved for his visitors for his wedding. So we'll start with washroom, as usual. It's very huge. This is our third place and all the washrooms here are spacious. Of course, there's bidet. And here we have a rain shower head, hand shower, and faucet. There's the heater. Plus, there's a bucket. This is the in-room amenities, which is actually nice because it's complete. From shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and there's lotion. Very nice. And as you can see, the furniture in the room are mostly made of wood. So it's like old style room. Very different from the washroom that we have seen a while ago. It's also spacious and the TV has international channels like CNN and BBC. And even though it's old style, there's AC plus a ceiling fan. It's cooler and very comfortable to sleep. That's it. Thank you for watching. Next video, we are attending an Indian wedding. See you!